Dear listeners, beginning our day with God as usual gives us strength because He is the only person who we can rely for all our needs and necessity. He is the only one who will have a good plan and for us. So let's read the Bible in order to praise Him. We are going to read from the book of Zechariah, chapter 10. Restoration of Judah and Israel. Ask rain from the Lord in the season of the spring rain. From the Lord who makes the strong clouds, gives showers of rain to you, the vegetation in the field to everyone. From the teraphim utter nonsense, and the diviners see lies. The dreamers tell false dreams and give empty consolation. Therefore the people wander like sheep, they suffer for lack of a shepherd. My anger is hot against the shepherds, and I will punish the leaders. For the Lord of hosts cares for his flock, the house of Judah, and will make them like his proud war horse. Out of them shall come the cornerstone, out of them the tent peg, out of them the battle bow, out of them every commander. Together they shall be like warriors in battle, trampling the foe in the mud of the streets. They shall fight, for the Lord is with them, and they shall put to shame the riders on horses. I will strengthen the house of Judah, and I will save the house of Joseph. I will bring them back because I have compassion on them, and they shall be as though I had not rejected them. For I am the Lord their God, I will answer them. Then the people of Ephraim shall begin like warriors, and their hearts shall be glad as with wine. Their children shall see it and rejoice, their hearts shall exult in the Lord. I will signal for them and gather them in, for I have redeemed them, and they shall be as numerous as they were before. Though I scattered them among the nations, yet in far countries they shall remember me, and they shall rear their children and return. I will bring them home from the land of Egypt, and gather them from Assyria. I will bring them to the land of Gilead, to the Lebanon, until there is no room for them. They shall pass through the sea of distress, and the waves of the sea shall be struck down, and all the depths of the Nile dried up. The pride of Assyria shall be laid down, and the scepter of Egypt shall depart. I will make them strong in the Lord, and they shall walk in his name, says the Lord. This is the words of the Lord. We are going to read through the special verse that we are taking daily. As I daily see, try to learn and share this with your friends. Go in peace. The mission you are on is under the eye of the Lord. It's from Judgment, chapter 18, verse 6. So God is telling that we can be calm and we can do whatever at present, because whatever intentions or whatever focus we are, it's all under the eyes of Jesus. Is taking care of all our needs. So we will be attaining